Good morning, student. So, after half yearly, we will start the chapter of second semester. That is chapter number 10, measurement. So, first of all, you have to know something that about measurement. Identify and tick the appropriate unit for each of the following. Just here for the length. Delhi to Chandigarh, you can find this measurement in kilometer. This is scale. We can do this in centimeter. And the children are doing their work. In this we will find out in meter. Now capacity. For capacity we will use liter. Again milliliter. And this is also for milliliter and liter. And for weight we use kg and gram. And also for kg and gram, kg and gram. So there are different units for measurement. For length there are different unit. For capacity there is different unit. For weight there is different unit. You have already learned about this in your previous chapter in class 4 also. Now metric measure. We have learned about the metric measures in our earlier classes. Meter, gram and liter are standard unit of length, mass and capacity. There are other units of metric measures also measure smaller length, masses and capacities. Larger units are used to measure larger length, masses and capacity. Okay. There is a definite relationship among the various unit of metric measure. We put different prefix to standard unit of metric measure. The most commonly used prefix are deca, kilo, hecto for higher units and deci, centi and milli for lower unit. There are two types of unit, higher unit and lower unit. Okay, there are some measurement. For length, the standard unit is meter and measure are millimeter, centimeter and kilometer that we use in our day-to-day life. Especially for length, the standard unit is meter. You have to learn this. Measure uses are millimeter, centimeter and kilometer. Now weight is also called as mass and the standard unit of weight is gram. And for this we use milligram, gram and kg. Third one is capacity. And for capacity the standard unit is liter. And the measure used in day-to-day life is millimeter and liter. Now measurement of length. Standard unit of length is meter. 3 unit of length greater than and the standard unit of meter are kilometer, km, hectometer, hm and decameter, dam. All these let's also take 3 units smaller than the standard unit of length that is meter. These are the decimeter, centimeter and millimeter. Now following are the table that shows relationship of various unit of length with the standard unit that is meter. Units greater than meter are 1 decameter that is equal to 10 meter. 1 hectometer that is equal to 100 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You have to learn this. Very important. Otherwise you can't solve the exercises. Unit is smaller than meter. 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. Okay, so these are the very important terms that you have to learn. All the 7 unit of length can be shown in decimal place value chart. There is a decimal place value chart of 7 unit. For 1000, 100, 10, ones, tenth, 100 and 1000. This is unit for kilometer, hm, dam, m, dam, cm, millimeter. And these are the place value and they are the unit of the term. So you have to learn this table, very important. This is very important for you. Now the place value table clarity shows that the value of the meter at each successive place increasing or decreasing by a factor of 10. When we move left over from m or ones, the value of each subsequent unit increases by a factor of 10. And when we move rightward from m or ones, the value of each subsequent unit decreases by a factor of 10. From the place value table, you can also conclude that to convert a higher unit to a lower unit, multiply the higher unit by suitable multiple of 10. It is very important to know if you are converting the higher unit into a lower unit, in that case you have to multiply it. Okay, and again to convert a lower unit into higher unit, you have to divide it by a suitable multiple of 10. And if you are converting a lower unit into a higher unit, in that case you have to divide it. And for converting a higher into lower, then you have to multiply it. And converting higher to lower, then it should be divided. So before starting this chapter, please consider these points and please learn the points and learn this unit so that we can start the chapter. Okay, thank you.